I'm John Cain with Carolina Air Care. We specialize in indoor air quality, specifically with crawl spaces because that's where you make the biggest difference. Crawl space repair has all the items you need, so no matter what you're getting involved in, from 12 mil reinforced poly to 20 mil reinforced poly to small dehumidifiers, larger dehumidifiers that can be ducted to multiple points, drain mats, anything and everything you need to solve a crawl space problem. And Matt's got really good prices. I mean, we don't have to wonder if we're getting the best deal on dehumidifiers. He cares as much about our success as his own because he looks at it like it's a team effort. I would definitely refer any contractor to crawlspacerepair.com. It's a big benefit to anybody who's doing foundation repairs, crawl space work, indoor air quality. It's been a good resource for our company.